into clear slime. So yeah, let's get straight on into the video. Yo! Alright guys, we have all these putties right here. Which should we do next? I think we should do this one. I have been dying to do this one, so let's just take everything out. Whoopsies. Uh-oh. Alright you guys, so this one is from Orb Slimy, and it's called Brain Putty, and it is Amethyst. So let's check it out. Okay guys, so this is kind of hard to open because it's got like putty stuck. So I'm trying to open it and it is not working. Okay, what do I just... No? Okay, alright. I'm gonna try to figure out how to open this and I'll get you guys.
48 hours later.
Alright guys, honestly, I just threw it on the floor and I don't know where the cover went, so we're just gonna leave the cover. Anyways, here is the slime. I look at how beautiful it is. I didn't expect it to be. I thought it was gonna be like a purple glittery slime, but like this is even better. It is a like metallic pearl putty and it looks fantastic. And the color is amazing. This is such a pretty putty. Like, I have never seen a putty as pretty as this. I don't know how I haven't, because I have played with so many putties, but this is amazing. This is so pretty. All right, we're gonna go ahead and mix it into some clear slime and see what happens. This one seems a little bit different than the other one, so maybe it won't fog up. Maybe it'll stay pearlescent, but I don't know, I hope it does. All right, so here is some clear slime. Look at how nice that is. All right, we're gonna put our little putty ball right there and let's do this. Okay, it's going pretty good so far. All right, it doesn't seem like it's fogging up. Actually mixing very nicely. Look at that, it is so beautiful. I hope this one doesn't fog up. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be so happy. Ooh, it's so crunchy. This one really not gonna fog up. I'm gonna be so happy if it doesn't. Oh my gosh, guys, look at it. Okay, so I think it did fog a little bit. It got a little foggy, but it's pretty clear still. It's better than the other one, so I really like it. Mixed very, very well, and yeah, turned out pretty nice. All right, well, I guess that's it for that one. That was beautiful. I love the ASMR. It mixed so well. Sometimes when I mix putties with slime, it like goes everywhere. I'll probably do that with one of these putties. I don't know. But this one was like beautiful. Like that was amazing. All right, let's get on to the next one. All right, guys, next one we do is this one. This is from Ryan's World Mystery Putty. So yeah, let me just go ahead and open this. There we go. That opened so well. What the heck? All right, anyways, here is the putty that it came in with or something like that. It's very soft and it is orange. So yeah, let's pop it open. Let me see if I can pop it open. Oh. Okay, I opened it like a tiny bit right here. I'm excited to see this putty because it is very soft and I want to see the texture. There's so many putty textures. It's so weird because like you expect that there's only like 3. There's actually a lot. All right, guys, here is the putty. So it's one of those like weird ones. Is this color changing? 1 second, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, I think I got a rare putty. I don't want to mix this in slime. I got a rare putty, guys. Okay, this one changes color so well. I love it. Look at that. This is so cool, guys. It changes the color so well. All right, guys, here's the color it changes when it's warmed up, and here it is when it's cold. That is pretty cool. Like, it changed very well. You could have like a never-ending slime smoothie with this. All right, guys, it's time to mix it into the slime. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix my beautiful putty inside here. I'm gonna miss you. All right, let's do this. Okay, so this one isn't mixing as well, like I said. Oh wait, wait, I don't know. It's not as bad as the other ones, but it is not mixing as well. All right, guys, here it is. It's pretty good. Like, it's got some nice clicks, very nice pops. I think I like this one more than the first one. And and I think it will still change color. So yeah. Alright, well we're all done with this one, guys. Let's get on to the next one. Alright guys, next we're gonna do is another orb slimy, but this one instead is, what the heck is that? Saffrickle? Okay, I'm just gonna guess this is like sapphire or something, because I don't know what the heck saffrickle, like I've never heard of it. Okay, I think this one's stuck too, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it on the ground. Alright guys, so I threw it on the ground. Somehow the little like putty that was stopping it from opening just came off, and now I can open it. So yeah, that's great. Alright, here's the slime. Oh my gosh, it's like the other one. It's like a pigment one. It's so pretty. It's beautiful. I love it. Okay. Alright guys, so basically it's the same as the other one, so we're gonna go ahead and mix that with the slime, but it's a different color, so it might have like a different texture or something, I don't know, but I look forward to this because the other one was really pretty. Since this is like the same slime almost, I'm gonna put less slime just to kind of just see if there's like a difference. Look at that, looks so cool. Alright. Oh my gosh, the slime does not stick to it. Ooh, that looks so pretty. It seems a bit crunchier. Let me just go ahead and slime whip it really quick. It's just a bit more thick than the other one. It's thicker and like crunchier. It's very nice. Alright, well, I'll do this one. Let's get on to the next one. Alright, next one is this big boy. This is Silly Putty, but this one is the big egg, okay? So usually they're like probably like this big. Usually they're very small, but now we came up with these and I wanted to try it out, so yeah, we're gonna try it. Alright, finally got it off. Alright, let's see what this big putty is about. Whoa, that is big. Usually when you get the other egg, it like has like literally like a tiny corner of putty in it. It's terrible. But anyways, here is the big egg. That's a lot of putty, guys. So putty, Silly Putty is actually very hard apparently. Back when the slime trend just started, I actually got myself some Silly Putty because I really wanted to try it again. And after playing with like slime, it got like I was amazed about how hard it was, and like it's not very stretchy. Like before when I was a little kid, I thought it was the funnest thing ever, and that like you could cut it and that it was like so stretchy and stuff, but like I don't like it too much anymore because it kind of hurts my hands. Why does it look like hot dogs? Anyways, so yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and put this into slime. All right, guys, so here is my little putty ball I made. Very nice and smooth now. Here's our slime. Very nice and clear. All right, let's put our putty ball. Let's mix it. You guys think it's gonna be easy to mix? I feel like it's gonna be hard to mix, but who knows? Let's see. Okay, it's very hard to push, like to press. But so far, it seems like it's actually gonna be easy to like mix in the slime. Silly Putty has such like a different texture than all the other putties. I wonder what's gonna happen. Okay, it's mixing pretty well, very well. Okay, why does it look like that? It looks so cool. It looks like a bunch of spaghetti or something, I don't know. Okay, it kind of feels like it is like activating it. Very weird. Like it literally feels like there's like borax inside the putty. Okay, so here's what happened to this slime, guys. It has a very interesting texture. I don't really like it. It's like very hard. I don't know, it's very weird, but it has a really weird texture, and I kind of like the texture, but it's too hard, and I don't. All right, guys, well, let's get on to the next one. All right, guys, so the next round is gonna be a bonus round, so we're gonna be using this thing. This one isn't really putty, but it is sand, and I really wanted to try it, so I'm gonna be doing it as a bonus round. Alrighty, that opened very easily. Ooh, I like this one. All right, here is the sand. I don't know if it's gonna be like kinetic sand. It isn't kinetic sand, it's called silly sand. Oh wow, it's already like open. Anyways, it is called silly sand. It says the real solid liquid sand. So yeah. All right, guys, here is the sand. Honestly, I'm not a fan of this silly sand. It's kind of like falling apart everywhere. It's making a mess. It only sticks together like a little bit. And I guess it sticks together a good amount. Then it's like super dry and kind of hard to grab. I think I like kinetic sand better. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and collect this all up, make it into a block, and we're gonna put it inside of our slime. All right, guys, so here we have our clear slime. And we have our little egg right here that I decided to make into like a half an egg because I thought it would look nice. All right. Ooh, this looks nice. Let's mix it. Okay, well it is mixing with the slime like really weirdly, like it is turning into powder instead of sand. But I like it. It looks cool and it feels cool. It's just very sticky now, so I'm gonna add some activator. All right, here it is. It's very doughy and I actually really love it. It like has such a cool texture. It's like, it's so like doughy and like kind of like a butter slime. And I just like it so much. This will turn out very cool. If you guys find some silly sand, buy it to put it in some slime. Turns the slime real nice. All right guys, now we're doing a little slime smoothie. Okay, so here's the purple one. Here's the other purple one, the sapphire. Here's my rare one. All right, and then we have our blue one. And we have our silly putty one, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of that because, you know, I don't know, I'm not gonna put it. It's just terrible. All right, let's mix them. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh wow, this is actually a very, very nice smoothie. Okay, this looks so pretty. Right here, it looks so cool. I don't know why, but it just looks so beautiful. Ta-da! All right, well, I guess that's it for that. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you comment down which one is your favorite. And that is it. Thank you so much. I hope I see you next time. Bye.